Welcome back to today's video. Before we get started, hit that sub button. That's all I ask. Now today we're gonna bowl one full game, different style, every frame. So that's 10 different styles, and I'm gonna be bowling against my buddy here, Marshall Kent.
Hello.
Oh, shit. Rock always wins! Well, I guess we're going first. First style is gonna be normal, regular, standard. Oh! You know what, I'm kind of just hoping to break 100, so spares are good. That's fine, everything's fine. Look who's sim wrecking now. Oh!
That was nerve-wracking.
That's a tough spare. Our second style is two-handed. I'm definitely losing this frame. I'm gonna throw a house ball. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. I feel like the hardest part about bowling two-handed is picking up spares. Should I use my strike ball for, or my actual ball for my spares? No, the dead zone!
Uh-oh.
This is why we throw it straight at our spares, kids. He got in my head. He egged me on, it worked.
It did.
Watch this, if you haven't seen this before, it's sick. Tie ball game. All right, our next style, we're gonna blow off the opposite foot. I actually learned this one from him, so I hope I make him proud. Oh, that's money.
Your timing's better off the wrong foot.
Dude, you're not wrong. Let me know in the comments if you want me to switch styles, blow off the wrong foot from now on. He's out of practice. You're on an open though, it's all right, 9 spare.
Yes.
Oh, that's money. It's a little early for fist pumps. Fourth frame, we're gonna go left-handed. Oh, green ball. Magic 12-pound green ball. They don't really hook at the gutter. Play a little straighter. Ah! Yeah, that was pretty good. I'll wait up for the spare. Ah! I feel like every other style except for my regular is better than my regular. I'm kind of hoping Marshall wins this because everyone's just gonna think the guys I bowl against throw so that I just win. That's not the case. We need those later timing drills for the left hand too.
Terrible attempt.
How's your two-handed lefty?
I don't know. We'll find out.
First time? I always throw it in the gutter. Ah!
That was huge for me.
I kind of spoke it into existence. I don't know how to close my angles.
That's what I did with Paul.
Do I do the Simonelli? Ah! Oh my God, it worked! I'll take it. That wasn't a very good frame.
This is about to be very emasculating for me.
I feel like it's probably going to be 10 back. I think 100's a good call. And that wasn't bad. No way.
Back in it, baby.
I think he takes the lead on that. Opposite foot, but lefty. I'm using a house ball again. Oh! I needed a spare on the other side of the lane. This one's gonna be tough. I can't pick this one up on the correct foot. My favorite part about these wrong foot shots is posting them. Post them better than my normal shots. Okay. That one needs some work. Equal playing field today. I tried that one for the first time today. Oh my God, that's 10 back. I'm dust, guys. I need some strikes here. I need a double. That gutter was huge. Between the legs. Marshall's definitely better at this one than I am. This is where we mount our comeback. Ah, oh God. I need a stronger ball. You're so funny. I don't know what happened. I used to be good at that. Oh my God, he's got a double. What I say? He's just talented.
Why am I so good at being bad?
He's just talented. Big. It's called versatility. 2 hands backwards between the legs. Okay. The left side's fresh. Roll it more. Okay. I don't want to move. I'm lined up to get the spare. It's all right. I need this. This is huge. Just back off a little more forward. Go! I'm still in the game. No beer for you. Oh my God. He's throwing. He's throwing. Full approach. He's like, I ain't doing that again. Spare? 5? I feel like you still got a pretty good lead. 9th frame, we're going for the chest pass. I don't recommend doing this one at home. The bowling alley, definitely won't appreciate it. No! Why'd that hook so much? I need the spare. Like it's not even an option. I thought that was a pretty good attempt. Not gonna lie. Oh my God! We got a new flash in bowling. Oh my God, that's 10. I think that's a shutout. Yeah, I think what really did me in was the gutters. What am I saying? It's not over yet. So for our last shot, we're closing our eyes again.
I don't think we can do this.
No, that's why I don't like that.
I'm just kidding, we're not doing that. It might be equally as dangerous though. We're going for the windmill. In my career, I've probably done this twice. And both were today. I still don't know what a proper way to do this is. It's so hard. Oh. I did break 100 though. Just wasn't good enough to beat Marshall. God, if that stayed on the lane.
That had a chance.
That was my opening. Oh, good adjustment. That's about the same as me.
I didn't hurt myself. I accomplished that.
Now, I kind of want to say, if you think you can do better than us, let us know in the comments. But I don't want you to try because I don't want you to hurt yourselves, and I don't want to be liable for that. So you can let us know in the comments if you think you could beat us, but don't do it at home.